In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI sound effects to your AI-generated videos, a fun and creative way to enhance your digital projects. First things first, be sure to use our affiliate link when signing up for 11labs. It really helps us out and ensures that you get started on the right foot. Once you've set up your account and are on your 11labs dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel. There, you'll find a tab labeled Sound Effects. This is your gateway to a wide array of audio magic, all designed to elevate the storytelling in your videos. Clicking on it will bring up a variety of sound descriptions that serve to enrich your content. You'll notice a range of example descriptions ready and waiting for you. These examples are incredibly useful as they give you a sense of what's possible and can serve as inspiration. You might find a description that perfectly captures the sound you're looking to create, or you might decide to tweak it and make it your own. Alternatively, if you have a specific sound in mind, you can simply enter the description of the sound you want in the provided space. Whether it's a gentle ocean wave or a bustling city street, the power is in your hands to bring that sound to life through AI. Once you've typed out the sound description and generated the clip, it's time for the magic moment. You can click on Download. This will save the generated audio to your device. The beauty of this feature is that it provides you with an instant and high-quality sound clip that can be used wherever and however you'd like. Whether you're spicing up a YouTube video, enhancing a podcast, or exploring new creative avenues, these AI-generated sounds offer endless possibilities. And that's all there is to it. It's a straightforward, efficient way to incorporate professional-grade sound effects into your projects, giving your content that extra layer of polish and professionalism. So, go ahead and dive into the world of AI sound effects. Have some fun experimenting and see where your creativity takes you. Remember, by using our affiliate link, you'll be supporting future content just like this, so we can continue bringing you the latest tips and tricks in the digital world. We hope you find this helpful, and we can't wait to see and hear what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.